Hi, this is Pearson Education, and in this video we are going to show you how you can create a module inside of Learning Catalytics. So I'm inside of Learning Catalytics. I've already created a classroom, I've already created my connected my course, and now I'd like to create my first module. So I'm just going to call this Day 1. I could choose a date if I'd like when I'm going to actually deliver this content, or I could leave it blank for now. I also have 5 choices here, and each choice is laid out and tells you exactly what you would like to do. The ones that are used inside the classroom more often than not are going to be your instructor-led and your automated synchronous items. The biggest difference between these two is an instructor-led module will deliver the questions one at a time as you choose, and the automated would deliver all the questions from the module to the entire class, and each student would work at their own pace, sort of. And then there's a self-paced option which can be used in or outside of class, and then the self-test version, and then a team-based assessment version as well. So if you're interested in those, please go on our website and check those out. I'm just going to go ahead and click Save and Continue, and I'm going to start creating my module. Again, I still have that option for the date once I get to the next page here. I can also change my response if I've made an error and I want to change it to a different type of session, but I'm going to keep it as the instructor-led synchronous. Then I get to determine what kind of grading scale I want. So right now it's on 100% correctness, but I want mine to be more of a participation grade for this particular item. So for this module, I want it to be 100% participation, but notice my sliding scale. I could make it 90-10 or 80-20 or so forth. The next, I'm going to leave the parameters as they are, but I could check them as do not allow students to review performance on this module if I wanted to, but I'm going to want them to review, so I want to leave it as is. And then I do want the grade data to be sent to my lab course, so to my interactive statistics course, which I have right now connected to this Learning Catalytics item. Now from here I will actually just create questions. So I can create a new question if I'd like of my own, or I can add a question from our question library. So I'm choosing to add something from our question library, and so as you can see there are different types of disciplines available. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the discipline that I would like, which is statistics. So I'm going to scroll down to math. And choose statistics. Now from here you can see that we have about 289 different items available to use inside of statistics. You can use these as a starting point. You can also add them, you can create your own statistics course items as well, and you can also go find other disciplines. So maybe there's something else from math, developmental math, calculus, finite math, quantitative reasoning, or so forth that you want to add to your course. But I'm going to go ahead and look at this and notice this is a matching question, so I can really quickly see if I scroll over it that I get a little thumbnail of what that problem is, or I can click directly into that item. And when I click into that item, it will give me the actual question, the way that it looks, what the actual answer is, also the historical performance on that particular question. If I like this question, I can click Add to Module. And now that item has been added, and I have one question here worth 1 point. And if I want to change any of those parameters, I click the little settings button on the right-hand side to that question. So that's how you add from our question library. And again, I could go through and I can find different, if I want a data collection questions, I can see there's a data collection question there, and again I can just click Add to Module if that's what I'd like to add. I can also come through and find like maybe a matching question, and from here I can add another matching question to it, and so forth. And so as we can see, if I go into our Day 1 module at the top by clicking those breadcrumbs, I can see I now have 3 items that I've added from our question library to this particular course. I hope this is helpful, and for adding your own questions, please watch another video that covers adding your own content. Thank you and have a good day.